Hello, fellow AI art enthusiasts. My name is Thane, and in this video we shall be taking a look at 100 Midjourney S ref codes. I've done quite many of these videos already, because I just love exploring these style codes in an orderly manner. And as there are over 4 billion of them, it is statistically very rare for you to have seen what these style codes do. My method is pretty simple. I have prompted each of the style codes with the exact same prompt, that is the period symbol, and the exact same parameters. This way you know that the only change that happens will be the style code number change. And if you want to use these style codes yourself, just make a note of the number and add it to your own prompt, with -s ref and the number. Usually the color palette, technique and overall look and feel will be essentially added to your prompt, without having to specify it with words. Some codes do listen to the prompt better than others, but you can always vary the stylize setting to make the impact weaker or more stronger. It's all about experimentation and exploration. So here are the 100 styles. The names are actually made up with the help of ChatGPT, and they don't really work if you just use the words without the style code. But I think they are a nice representations of the styles you are about to see. So let's get started. (3000) Radiant Winged Saga. 3001 Neo-Victorian Mechanica. 3002 Crimson Gothic Photorealism. 3003 Florid Sky Fantasia. 3004 Sepulchral Arcane Majesty. 3005 Vermilion Mythic Engraving. 3006 Astral Frosted Elegance. 3007 Arcane Character Vignette. 3008 Neon Folk Impressionism. 3009 Sepia Voyage Serenity. 3010 Seasonal Surreal Assemblage. 3011 Bloodleaf Cathedral Saga. 3012 Neon Doodle Realism. 3013 Retro Scenic Graphicism. 3014 Blush Impressionist Collage. 3015 Monochrome Punk Noir. 3016 Medieval Ruin Realism. 3017 Melancholic Fable Portraiture. 3018 Whimsical Watercolor Realism. 3019 Urban Ascension Realism. 3020 Silhouette Storyteller Saga. 3021 Radiant Misty Dreamscape. 3022 Whispered Pastel Memories. 3023 Abstract Woodland Symphony. 3024 Maritime Vintage Portraiture. 3025 Radiant Enchanted Cascade. 3026 Blooming Avant-Garde Realism. 3027 Ruinbound Obsidian Elegy. 3028 Bohemian Kaleidoscopic Fusion. 3029 Regal Alpine Odyssey. 3030 Liminal Pastoral Absurdity. 3031 Bloom-woven Surreal Portraiture. 3032 Mythic Opulent Alchemy. 3033 Neon Dystopian Shroud. 3034 Sakura Infused Dystopia. 3035 Grit-bound Solitude Realism. 3036 Cosmic Mechanical Ascension. 3037 Emberlit Woodland Awakening. 3038 Shattered Portrait Allegory. 3039 Gloom-bound ethereal solitude. 3040, psychedelic village tapestry. 3041, jade cloak urban fable. 3042, phosphorescent doomscape saga. 3043, whispers of petalstone. 3044, psychedelic pastoral odyssey. 3045, arcane woodland glow. 3046, retro expedition realism. 3047, chromatic emotional eruption. 3048, grooved eclectic sanctuary. 3049, sylvan enclave fantasia. 3050, midnight threshold visions. 3051, reverie of verdant myths. 3052, luminescent fairy court. 3053, nostalgic inked horizons. 3054, neon cyberpunk chrysalis. 3055, iridescent forest vistas. 3056, sepulchral antique voyages. 3057, nocturnal sylvan elegy. 3058, watercolor daydream odyssey. 3059, sepia tinted elegant saga. 3060, stark dystopian solitude. 3061, mythic verdure soliloquy. 3062, ochre crimson abstract dominion. 3063, iridescent pastoral enigma. 3064, sepulchral zen panorama. 3065, soft pastel illustrative whimsy. 3066, neon gradient pop surrealism. 3067, dual tone urban surrealism. 3068, graphite architectural distress. 3069, verdigris necropolis intricacy. 3070, whispered ivory portraiture. 3071, impressionist bloom serenity. 3072, metallic organic distortions. 3073, scarlet vanguard in verdure. 3074, moonlit indigo impressionism. 3075, prism-fused urban odyssey. 3076, pink sketched void. 3077, monochrome, arcane lament. 3078, ember-wreathed arcane vanguard. 3079, mist-enshrouded autumn serenity. 3080, verdant anime wanderlust. 3081, avant-garde verdant couture. 3082, moonlit verdure illustration. 3083, radiant chromatic mysticism. 3084, aurora-drenched fantasy vistas. 3085, monochrome sylvan elegy. 3086, frosted ruinous silhouettes. 3087, sepia-washed coastal serenity. 3088, gilded metallic embellishments. 3089, prism-hued arboreal strokes. 3090, minimalist atmospheric rendering. 3091, pastel inked panels. 3092, vibrant cel-shaded realms. 3093, monochrome cinematic shadows. 3094, inked ukiyo-e serenity. 3095, Rust Palette Figurative Study. 3096. Iridescent Prism Sculptures. 3097. Cyanotype Indigo Silhouettes. 3098. Psychotropic Neon Tendrils. 3099. Waterfall Ruins Fantasy. Alright, those were the styles for this video. I didn't actually like too many of them with the first look with just the period symbol. But after prompting each of them a second time with varying prompts, I actually saw some really nice results. So if you would like to see all of my secondary prompts, along with the period symbol prompts, you could come and check out my Patreon. I have these images alongside their prompts available in PDF format to my lovely patrons as a bonus for being such amazing supporters of this channel. Thank you. So come on over if you would like to help me reach my goal of 100 patrons. The link is in the description of this video. But if you don't feel like doing that, you can always support this channel just by subscribing, liking this video or commenting about your favorite styles. Thank you so much for watching and let's continue prompting.